Welcome to the ports and shipping news from Vishakhapatnam. Kuwait Port Authority has recently confirmed that 12 development projects are in progress under Kuwait's development plan, Kuwait Vision 2035 New Kuwait, mainly referring to these projects as the gateway to development, where ports are the portal of international trade. KPS Director General Sheikh Yusuf Ali Abdullah Al Sabah spoke of the importance of these projects aiming at development of Suwaik, Suayab and Doha ports as well as Fintas and Marinas, establishing four logistics centers and dry port west of Al Shiab port in addition to the development of an industrial port in South Kuwait. In an interview with the Robert Asif magazine, Al Sawa made reference to the port project planned to take place shortly and to be launched within the coming week in the first engineering design phase, which includes a port community system window of KPA and all related parties. In order to welcome large vessels and shorten time of discharging cargoes imported from China and East Asia through a direct line to Kuwait, Al Saab said it's a KPA duty to develop all ports such as Suaik and Suaib as well as they are not able to accommodate large vessels at that moment. As we accomplish these developments and established logistics cities, we will provide logistic warehouse services in cooperation with all parties concerned with expanding highways to and from ports. This integrated system is crucial to achieving our main objectives. As for the Smart Ports project, Al Sabah said the light of upcoming projects which contains a window called Port Community System, including KPA and all relevant authorities, such as Kuwait General Administration of Customs and Ministry of Interior other entities, as well as shipping companies and cargo owners. This is in addition to the Port Gateway project. 1,000 square meters platform, including all related authorities. With this project, we will activate an online service in coordination with the Kuwait General Administration of Customs. We have already started providing many electronic services such as ships, manifests, documents. As for the Kuwait Port Authority financial status, KPAS annual profit has increased respectively through the last 5 years from 33 million Kuwait dinars, around 110 million US dollars, to 37 Kuwait dinars, 43 Kuwait dinars, 48 million Kuwait dinars, and 50 year 50 million Kuwait dinars regarding the KPS plan for next year. Al-Sabah made it clear that dealing that corruption is the way to increase profits. We hope that the KPS profits will exceed 56 million Kuwait economic year 2020 and 2021 by combating corruption and work with all our capabilities. We are to achieve these profits of our properties and money. We have also worked to reduce expenses, better selected national personnel team, and help national companies for financial auditing. He continued, he have come a great way, about 80% in retrieving our properties, and we are still on with our fight against corruption in the courts. Being as transparent as we can't be, we acknowledge this problem and admit that we are fighting it. Because with corruption, development cannot be achieved. Looking at KPS during the coming years, KPS considered the projects on agenda essential and important, working in service direction engineering through design and planning, as well as training and for national personalities, so that these projects move on their launch stage, eventually cooperating with major companies, all of which aim at developing a plan to handle large vessels navigating directly to Kuwait from various parts of the world. In this regard, Al Shab said KPA's projects are the gateway development. We seek many international standards to improve the working environment, develop a standard of logistical performance, attract foreign investment, enable small and medium enterprise, employ and train national cadres. It is mainly everything that contributes to development of Kuwait in general. It is our duty to ensure that goals of these projects have an evolving and developing returns. The port of Kuwait are important to the state of Kuwait, which has been associated with its developments in these ports. Kuwait ports have been an important role in Kuwait economic and urban development. The Kuwait Port Authority is a Kuwait governmental institution with an independent legal personality. The Kuwait Ports Authority was established in 1977 with the aim of managing Kuwait commercial ports, Siak Port and Doha Port and Swayabha Port. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.